Hey, it's Kellar Lawrence with a special video message. Firstly, hello, I hope you're doing better than good. You probably know that I publish a special newsletter each month called Homeward Bound, where I highlight the great work that our company is doing with one of Greenwood's nonprofits in helping people who need help the most. And you've probably seen that I open each newsletter with, well, some interesting news somehow tied to real estate. In my June Homeward Bound real estate newsletter, I reveal details about giving you Donald Trump's birthday gift. I'm pretty sure he has plenty of stuff, so he won't miss it. But you will love it. And yes, we're on a mission to raise $20,000 for Greenwood area Habitat for Humanity. We're well on our way to meet that goal. Their vision is to have a world where everyone has a decent place to live. And as one of the leading nonprofit organizations in our area, you probably know they need donations to continue their care and to keep housing costs down to a minimum. We're committed to donating a portion of our income from every home sale to this very worthy cause. So your referrals really do help families in Greenwood. Who do you know that might be considering buying or selling a home that you could refer to my real estate team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but the families at the Greenwood area Habitat for Humanity will benefit as well. Just give me a call or pass on my number to anyone that you know might be considering buying or selling. My number is 864-766-SOLD. That's 864-766-SOLD. And thank you so much for checking out this month's Homeward Bound. Have an awesome month.